Hi everyone, it's Andre from Silverhouse. Today's tutorial is just going to show you how to unzip a file or unarchive it, and how to archive multiple files for sending in an email. So first thing we're going to do is go over to our folder, and the first thing I'd like to do here is extract a file. So if you've been sent a zip file in an email, it most likely contains multiple files within the zip file. Unless you use Dropbox or one of those services, sending a zip file over an email is the easiest way to send multiple files. Traditionally, if you send multiple files as multiple attachments in the email, the receiving party of that email has to download each one of those files you send and save them individually. By sending a zip file, it saves everybody a lot of time, and the person receiving the email would just download this one zip file and then unzip it or extract it on their computers. So the way we do that is, say we download a zip file from our email, we've saved it here. You have to know the exact location of where you saved it on your computer. On a Mac, because we're running OS X here, all you do is double click the file and it automatically creates a folder for you and puts the files that are in that zip file in the folder for you. Easy as that. So these files were in this zip file. Very simple. The next thing, so we have this image here, a picture of a condominium building, and what we want to do is send this file. The easiest way to do this is to send the file, just attach it to an email, because it's one picture. The receiving party just has to download that one picture and then all is done. But what happens when we want to send multiple pictures? So we have a whole bunch of pictures here that we want to send off to a client, and the easiest way to do that over email would be to just send them a quick zip file. So what we want to do is select all the files, just control click and drag, select all your files, and on a Mac, right click the files, go down to compress items. It will compress, it'll make this file always called archive.zip. That means the files are zipped and compressed. All the files are within this one file. And what you can do here is rename the file. So we're going to call this, let's see, photos. Hit return. And there's our zip file. And now you just drag and drop this as the attachment to your email or wherever you're sending it, and you're done. So that's all for today. See you next time.
Silverhouse.